Hi, I'm Simon. I'm the chef at C&K Kedron, and welcome to a day in my life. When I arrive, first thing I do is set up the kindy room, write the chalkboard so the parents and kids know what they're having for lunch today, check deliveries, put them away, and then start planning my day. Starting with morning tea, I get all the food ready, pack the trolleys and take it out to the rooms. After moving around the rooms just to check whether everybody has enough food and everyone's happy, we clear morning tea, clean up and then on to lunch. We regularly have cooking exercises with the children, and this morning we have pre-kindy and they're coming in to make some sushi. After afternoon tea, I start getting organised for the next day, planning the menu to ensure that we have safe, allergen and dietary friendly meals for our children. Whenever I have time, I like to get out into the garden, fill the compost and check on our herbs and vegetables. And then before you know it, it's 3 o'clock. It's lights out and I'm off to pick up my kids from school. Thanks for watching my day at C&K.